Hey guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to pop in and just kind of give you an idea of exactly what it's like to live in an Italian hill town. Now, first of all, if you're living in an Italian hill town in Calabria by the sea, you're going to wake up to something like this. This is the view from Casa Cristina, our beautiful little hotel slash B&B in Santa Domenica Talao. And I am giving you the view from the balcony of the green room, and you can see that is the Pollino National Park right there. That is the Lao River Plain down below. So you've got all this beautiful, beautiful scenery, and of course the entirely picturesque little town of Santa Domenica Talao. Okay, you'd probably come to a restaurant like this one, the Bella Vista in Santa Domenica Talao. Bella Vista means beautiful view. And we're eating inside today, but they have a terrace with sweeping views of the sea. Now, one thing I would like to warn you about, of course, the calabrese bread is so delicious, but there's this beautiful pepper oil. And this is homemade from Michelle at the Bella Vista. And it is diabolical. It is absolutely delicious, but it's very, very spicy, and we just can't get enough of it. Now here's another thing you're likely to get. Usually they give you a little appetizer before you start your meal. It's something that you didn't order, but they bring it to you anyway. It's a little crostini with tomatoes on it, absolutely delicious. And a frittelle with zucchini, and oh my gosh, anybody that tastes these, that's all they can think about afterwards. Okay, in your honor, I ordered the antipasti di stagione, which is the antipasto, which is the appetizers of the season, and I love it because every season it's different, every day it's different. But today we have some greens. I think that's chicory and maybe a little spinach or something. This is one of my favorites. It is potatoes and peppers. And then I love, love, love this zucchini with, I don't know what, but it looks amazing. Since it's still a little bit cool weather, we got this beautiful bean dish, and I love it. What they do is they have these little terracotta pots, and they fill it with beans and maybe a piece of meat or ham or something, and they put it in the fire, and the beans cook all day. And that's probably what this is, because it looks very familiar. And of course, you cannot call it an antipasto without the prosciutto, without the capicola, I think that is, and the various other spicy sausages that are there. And all of the cheese here is made locally. So you've got this beautiful ricotta in the middle that's absolutely stunning. The olives are all house made, and these cheeses as well. So that's what you get just with the antipasto plate. But I'm going to show you Pete's. And once you get Pete, Cavatelli?
Cavatelli Bella Vista.
Cavatelli, I don't know how to pronounce
Cavatelli.
it. Cavatelli Bella Vista. Now this cavatelli is basically a pasta that's sort of pulled along a board, and it's made into a beautiful, yummy, delicious thing that grabs all the sauce and everything else. This has mushrooms in it. I think you can see a little bit of pancetta or
Sausage.
Oh, it's sausage. Pete has corrected me. And what is there? Peppers or tomatoes? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So that is likely what you would be eating if you lived in an Italian hill town, especially one in our Riviera di Genere in Calabria. This is our ape. Okay, remember when I got stuck in Verbicaro? There's a, I'll put a link to the video down below in the details, and you can see about my horrible experience in Verbicaro trying to go buy this ape. So I bought this ape, and it's really, really cute. It was a pretty color before, but I thought, you know what, for my fine art marketing, I wanted to paint it. And then I'm going to have my friend Anna paint flowers all over it and little designs and things like that. And then put a QR code that takes directly to the website. And of course, our Super Savvy logo will be on it too. But I hope you can see the color. It's a beautiful, beautiful blue. It's all redone. Even the inside is redone. We are super happy. And stay tuned to see what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, Pete, start her up.
Perfect. Here we go. All right, Mr. Rafi. Look at that. Here we go.